Well, good day, y'all. Welcome to another edition of Triple Chips Down the Hatch 2, where this is Season 1, Episode 4, and we got the Delissio Cheese-Stuffed Pizza. It's a 3-meat variety. It's in pepperoni, ham, and Italian sausage. Prepared in Canada. And this is similar to what Pizza Hut has, where the cheese is oozing out of the crust. We're just going to kind of see if that's the same. This one's got to be on for 400 Fahrenheit, so let's do a cold start in the oven. Let's go bake. Okay, I'm going to take that up to 400 and start. Okay, remove pizza from all packaging. 20 minutes. This has been kind of thawing out, so I already pre-cut a piece of parchment paper here, and let's see if it fits on the pan. Today we'll actually be using a pizza pan, so it's parchment paper. What else does it say on here? Oh, it's prepared in Quebec. Okay, there's like an easy zip thing here, but it's easier just to, it's popping, but you get your finger right in there. It looks like these stuffed crusts also come in pepperoni, Canadian Deluxe, sport cheese, and the one we're doing today is the 3 meat. So it comes in 5 different varieties. Oh yeah, this is really thawed. Look at that. Woo. Pretty flexible in the hand. Look at, okay, I don't think that one person wants all the pepperoni, so once we get this opened up, we gotta kind of redistribute that stuff. Get the other thing. Compared to the Dr. Oetker, there is no parchment paper underneath here. I'll show you in a second once I get this. Started doing some Netflix in there, and kind of forgot about this video I had to do, or vlog. And that's the Delissio cheese stuffed crust 3 meats. Prepared in Canada. See, there's nothing underneath there, so you want to make sure you have the parchment paper. This makes cleanup a heck of a lot easier, so we'll take these and kind of evenly distribute them. I want to make sure we get a pepperoni in every bite. This stuff here must be the ham, I guess, like little chunks, and this here is, that's like your Italian sausage. Yeah, it smells like sausage, so it's just kind of come around a little bit there. But somebody's going to get a lot of meat there that's, I know I'm not going to make any jokes about that. I try to stay political, and I don't really mention who I really like in the party, so just to make that fair both to all you people out there. We don't do political stuff like other talk show hosts do, so this is good, wholesome fun here. That's sort of just getting that all ready. There, it looks pretty even now. Well, this person's going to get a little bit more pepperoni than that person, but okay, so we're going to hit it at 400, so we're a little bit away still. Yeah, 400 degrees. So, we'll see you guys in a few minutes. Catch you soon. And we're back. So we're going to take, this is all full of ooey gooey goodness, which is the cheese. It's going to be just draining out of there. Don't overthink that. This is only cheese in there. So we're going to throw this in right now. 400 degrees. Going in hot. Woo! We'll catch you guys right away here. We're going to set this baby to 23 to 25. Well, it's kind of thawed out because I kind of forgot about it. So we're going to kitchen timer. Let's take that for, heck. Got a malfunction going here. Okay, hold it. Whoop. Too much. And we're back. So I was just looking at the back of this box. It's kind of corny. It kind of says, and the only door you'll need to open is the oven. It's not delivery, it's Delicious. It's like, it's a Mario. And we're hitting the end button. So let's get this opened up and... Oh, and I added on like another 3 minutes to it. It's 15 minutes with the thawed is just not enough. It's pretty raw. So let's check now. And this is what we're dealing with. Perfection on a pan. Look at that. Pepperonis, Italian sausage, and ham. So let's just throw that on there. I'm pretty sure this is cooked. Yeah, she's picking up nice. That's how you can kind of tell that the way it's kind of lifting. It's not folding too much. So it's fully cooked. So let's just get take off these oven mitts. We need something a bit smaller to hold this with, so don't burn my hands. So we'll just take these oven holders and let's just cut into. Oh, let's turn this off though. That's done. How you sharpen a pizza cutter, but this one's getting a little bit dull because I'm not popping that yet. So let's put a bit more pressure. There we go. Incision made. We got 2 halves. And for any of you people out there on diets, this is total of 1,600 calories. So when I cut this into 4 equal corners, that's 400 calories a slice. So just beware. But I'm not counting calories, so it's gonna be delicious. And I'll just show you guys what's inside that crust as soon as I get these slices cut. Move that over. There we go. Boom. So you want to cheat on calories, so what you do is cut these in half. So now these are instantly going to drop to 200 calories a slice because they're simply smaller. So this is a stuffed crust, so let's just give it a little cheat. Just hold on, I'll grab a paper towel because this is like really hot. I'll grab it. I'll squeeze that crust and see if any cheese spurts out of there. Okay, since this is so hot, I'm just gonna grab that crust. It says it's stuffed. Oh, that's pretty sad, delicious. Like there's cheese in there, but look at that. It's not even popping right out of there. Let's check the other side. Give it a good... Oh, there we got a little bit of cheese action happening. Very minimal cheese. Like, look at the box here. Like, it's oozing out like, oh... I would say that's not the truth there. Like, I squeezed this thing down to nothing. Like, it looks like it's been ran over by a semi. And look at this. What do we got coming out for cheese? Very minimal. Okay, let's try another piece. It looks really stuffed, but I was kind of looking forward to this, but I'm sure it's going to be good, but yeah, let's go for another. I'll go further back and just give it a good squeeze. Oh, wow, that is really disappointing. It's very false accusations to what that box shows. It ain't oozing out of this at all. But it might still be really delicious, so let's just cut the rest of this up. And let's finish on with this project. But nothing like what the box shows. Like typical propaganda that sell more pizzas, but it might still be really good though. Let's cut this up, but nothing like what you're seeing there. It's not Niagara Falls oozing out of there, that's for sure. And the way this crust looks, it looks like it'd just be full of cheese, but they forgot to fill the cheese in this. Apparently, that's. Let's try another piece. Let's go for the third try. They say a third time's a charm, but oh, look at there. Here's your cheese pull. Would it come out like maybe a millimeter, like not like the way it's coming out there, like a money shot, but okay, let's turn this around. This is very deceiving. It's okay. One more cut. Okay. There we go. This smells a lot of sauce here, but it might still be a good. Let's go in for a little nibble here. That's what you're dealing with. Ooh, look at that 3D action. Okay, it's gonna be very hot, so I'm gonna try one. Woo! Burn my lip there. Take the focus off here. Let's go straight for that crust. Let's see if they got any of that oozing cheese. I don't know what type of. Doesn't state what type of cheese is, but although again it is prepared in Quebec, so who knows. Cheese is very minimal. I can taste a hint of it, but nothing like what's advertised. Like for Delicieux, full thumbs up. No, maybe 3/4. Like it is a very good tasting pizza, but not what you claim when you're ad there. Especially showing this in the box. No, that's not the right thing. Very tasty pizza though. Woo! That is very hot. It is stuffed crust, but you're not to be expecting cheese to be just oozing out and burning your hands. It ain't happening here because I did 3 different pieces. I'll do another one. Let's even go further in. I'll show you guys the truth. Any skeptics out there, we're going to cut right into this crust and show you how much cheese is actually in this crust. There's no Photoshop to it. Look at that. I think they forgot to put cheese, and look at that. That is very pathetic. Like, no way it's oozing out like that. Like, come on, Delicieux. Like, you kind of skimped on the cheese there, but anyhow, it is a very good, tasty pizza, but false accusations there, I would say. Like, that's my opinion. You guys might enjoy this. Like, it is very tasty pizza. I'll give that a very high thumbs up, but I was expecting like Pizza Hut where I got actual cheese coming out, so it's up to you guys. I'll take this pizza if it's on sale, but other than that, I don't know. So if you like what you see in this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And for future notifications, make sure to hit that bell notification button, and then videos will just pop up. Your cell phone, your iPhone, Android, whatever you got out there, computer, tablet, it doesn't matter. It's just going to pop right out there and they see, watch some Triple Chip because he's got a new video. Until next time, happy eating, vlog over. Well, if you enjoyed this vlog, why not check out some of my other ones? Just click on the links below, the pictures here. If it's got my picture, that's a subscribe button. Click on those and it'll take you into other vlogs or the playlists. Until next time, have a great day.